Hey guys, I've got some mail today to show you, so let's get it open. Okay, so that's cool. Came in like a little jiffy bag thing, whatever you want to call them. And what's inside is a 1978 Walt Disney production black hole wax trading card pack. So let's get this open. It comes with bubble gum, which is over 40 years old now. I don't think I'm going to be eating that. So bubble gum sticks to these cards a lot, destroys them basically. Let's get it off anyway. It's got like smudges and all that on them, so they're destroyed. And we've got some vintage cards here. So powerful laser blast, some sort of a puzzle card, another one there. Captain Dan Holland, and some more puzzle cards. That's all. Oh no, sorry. Oh, they're on the other side. Ah, that's why. Sorry about that. The Battle of the Non-Humans. Metallic Monster. Holland to the Rescue. The Robot War. Escorted by Robot Sentries. That's cool. That's a sticker. A 40-year-old sticker. And Crew of Humanoids. So that's cool. And then, look at that lovely chewing gum. Let's eat a bit, eh? Oh, nom. No, I didn't eat any, I'm not weird. Okay guys, and I don't know if I showed you this one. Got the Pineapple Blast as well. So, thanks for watching guys. I paid £2 for these cards, for this pack. I'm quite happy with that, to be fair. And yeah, if you haven't already, please subscribe. Like I said in the very long intro, I will be shortening the intro as soon as I can. And yeah, that's all guys. See ya.